Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today, we're checking out the Elikliv LCD digital coin microscope, an amazing tool for collectors, hobbyists, and anyone who loves to see the tiniest details up close. This digital microscope comes with a 4.3-inch LCD screen that gives you a clear, real-time view of your specimens without needing to connect to a computer. But if you want a bigger picture, it's also PC compatible with both Windows and MacBook, so you can easily view and save images on your computer. With up to 1000x magnification, you can zoom in on coins, stamps, circuit boards, plants, or anything else you're curious about. The 8 adjustable LED lights ensure that your samples are always well lit, giving you crisp and detailed visuals. It's compact, easy to use, and perfect for coin collectors who want to inspect fine details like engravings, scratches, or authenticity markers. And because it's digital, you can capture and save images or videos for later reference. Overall, the Elikliv EDM4 microscope is a versatile, beginner-friendly, and highly useful tool for hobbyists, students, and professionals alike. Click the link below for the best price, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool gadget reviews.